Hey Maria, this is Daniel. We're gonna go through your website, see what's going on, see if we can't do anything. Just looking at the top over here, I see it's Dallas, Texas, and Tulsa, Oklahoma. So you got two locations there. That's cool, but doesn't change much. So right over here, we got your logo, which is excellent. Contact us. So you have your you have your service pages over here, but we don't have any number. Um, we do up here. It's a little different. So we would definitely want that to be more of a click to call. This, honestly, the green is something I would honestly get rid of, mostly put it on the bottom. As we go through, we got some nice pictures here, making your walls look stunning. Uh, Painting, but wall cover. Uh, ah. So as I was going through your website, I didn't see a lot that had to do with painting, mostly just vinyl wallpapers. At least that's, mainly what you're going for, which is good. And if you do painting on the side as well, then obviously that's something you would want to add to it. Now, there's a lot of see mores here, which is fine. I definitely want them to be more of a bigger paragraph over here. Also, thumbtack, that's okay. A lot of people, we want to see, accolades, but at the same time, it's very unnecessary. And then, of course, about you, which is really good. So, just as you scroll through, um, obviously, hey, let me know what we need. This is what we need in order for you to be a happy customer. So I do like it. I don't have Instagram, so it's not like I can really search that. I apologize. But then finally, last but not least, name, number, and everything. Submit with a brief message. See if we can help you. So only thing is no number except on the top little bit over here. We definitely want your number as a click to call button everywhere throughout, like in moderate areas. Definitely on top over here is something we want. Um, Other thing I would say is Google is very strict about content. So they want about 1,500 to 2,000 words on the homepage alone. And, we're looking for keywords, stuff that, here, for example, just looking behind the curtain, I use something called Ahrefs, which will basically let me dissect what's going on with your website behind the curtain. So your strength website, in the website, your UR rating is a 2, but then the trust that Google has in you is still a 0. So we definitely want those in the 30s and 40s. And how we increase those is with backlinks. So right now it looks like you got 24 backlinks, and that is where, you have your website link that, if somebody clicks on it, it'll come to your website or it'll open your website. Now we want those in other areas that refer back to you. That's a referring domain. Now, not all backlinks are equal. Some of them help you out, some of them do not. So a spammy one like a Wikipedia page isn't going to help you out. But, something that talks a lot about wallpapers and, from an authority is good. Now, that helps your ranking. That gets people to see you on the front page. But what makes you appear there is the keywords as well. So we definitely need strong keywords. What are people searching for, like I was saying earlier? So just looking at your backlinks, you have not backlinks, your keywords, you only have 4. And none of them are showing up. I wonder why. Let's find out. So I'm just going to click on that. Maybe go to it directly. Guess we can remove that. And let's see what's going on. So we're going to try again. Okay, so it's saying you've got 4, but none of them are showing up. So according to this, you don't have any keywords. But even if you did have keywords in there, your organic traffic is still 0. Um, as far as waiting for the organic traffic to load. Yep, we're still at 0 organic traffic. So let's take a look and see what's going on with other people, right? So we got wallpapers, store. So what I did was here is I just put in wallpaper Dallas, Texas, very generic keyword. And then no ads playing, but this is your Google Map app. You definitely want to get in here. Top, 3 people will get 30 to 40% of all Google searches. And then going down, we have organic search where you can rank generically. So this is your biggest competitor, right? Dallas Wallpaper Store. Now, they're not local to Dallas, I think. They got a whole bunch of different stores. But just going through their website, they got a lot of pictures, which are good, but there are also links to somewhere else. Definitely not a lot of content on this page. And then, of course, you have all the areas, I guess, they search or deliver to. The issue with that is it's a lot of things in there, just not a lot of the good stuff. There's no keywords, there's no actual content in here. So beating this out is actually really simple. So let's look behind the scenes, right? So their strength in a website is 3, but Google trusts them at a 28. Now, why is that? Because they're a chain. There's a lot of people involved with them because, as you can see, finestwallpaper.com, but then I have to search for the store for Dallas. So because they have so many interconnecting stores, that's why their trust is so high. But beating them out, honestly, is really easy because they have 223 referring domains, but not all of them are really good. So essentially, what we can do is we can find out the ones that are really good and use them for yourself. But they do have 1,900,000 keywords. And overall, they're pulling in 27,000 people to their website every single month. So these are on the back end, these are the keywords that they have in store here. As you can see, there's a volume of $12,000 for this one. Unfortunately, it's not really very specific, like this one is, right? Seattle wallpaper. So that's very specific, and that keyword itself is pulling in 9,000 people itself, and they're pulling in 406 people to their websites. Now, again, their website is everywhere, so don't really take this as gospel. Plus, um, no, actually, that's fine. They're coming straight to their website or a subsidy of it, and they're getting they're getting nice traffic for a lot of these as well. But honestly, there's not a lot here in Dallas. They have San Francisco wallpaper, which again 9.2, they're getting 181 people for that. So if you were to do local, such as Dallas, Texas, right? So how does this all help you out? So if you were to focus on about getting 1,500 to 2,000 keyword words in general on your homepage, um, focus on a lot of those keywords. Dallas uh, wallpaper, it's stuff like that, and pretty much just focus and hammer down on that keyword itself, and different variations of it. So you can do wallpaper Dallas, Dallas wallpaper, Dallas, Texas wallpaper. A lot of different things like that will help boost your organic keywords. But the bigger thing right now is you got to increase your backlinks. So I would say you need about another 50 to 100. You definitely want more than the opposition, at least locally. And you need more referring domains. Now, you want strong ones. So essentially, we can find out what everyone else is using as good referring domains and just use those as well. So if we implement all 3 of those ideas, right, we get 2,000 words of content on the homepage, including great organic keywords for all of that, and we increase your backlinks, you'll be able to rank #1. Now, even if you can only bring in half of what even a quarter of what that person was bringing in, right? 2,500, let's say you can bring in 200 more people a month to your website who are calling you. What can you do with that, Maria? So that's all I really got for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm always open to feedback and see how I can do better. Otherwise, you have a great day, Maria. Bye.